Number 2. Ignoring them on walks. This one came straight from dog owners themselves, and it hits harder than you'd expect. You take your dog out for their walk, the highlight of their entire day, and you spend it staring at a screen. Here's what most people miss about walks. They're not just exercise for your dog. Every fire hydrant is a newspaper. Every patch of grass is a story. Your dog wants to share that experience with you. When you're scrolling through text with your dog trotting beside you on the sidewalk, they look back at you and you're just not there. Over time, walks become less exciting for them. Not because the route got boring, but because their favorite person stopped showing up. Put the phone in your pocket. Even 10 minutes of being fully present changes everything.